Hello dear kids, in this video I am going to teach you the English lesson number 2. English lesson number 2, what do I do in the morning, and his textbook exercise. This is the first exercise of the lesson number 2, what do I do in the morning. Read each word aloud, identify the pictures, write the names in the given space. See here few words are given. From these words we have to select and write the picture and the name. What is that? Uniform, toothbrush, soap, comb, toothpaste, towel, milk. So these are the words. From here we have to select the words according to the picture. See here, one picture is given. What is this picture? This picture shows soap. So here soap spelling is there, no? That we have to write here. S-O-A-P, soap. Touch the proper lines and write in your notebook, textbook. What is this? This is towel which is hanged on the stand. So write here towel. See here, towel is there, no? This you have to write here. T-O-W-E-L, towel. What is this? This is milk. See here milk is there, no? So write here M-I-L-K, milk. What is this? This is comb. See here word comb is there. That you have to copy here. C-O-M-B, comb. Soap, towel, milk, comb. Here again few pictures are given down. So what is this? This is uniform, school uniform, no? So write here. See here, uniform spelling is there. That we have to copy here. U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. What is this? This is toothbrush. See here, toothbrush spelling is there. That you have to write here. T-O-O-T-H, tooth, B-R-U-S-H, brush. Toothbrush. Next, what is this? This is toothpaste. So you have to copy here toothpaste. The second exercise. Write the names of two things for each of the following. So here A, B, C like this sentences are given. We have to write the two things of this following. You used to brush your teeth. What do you use to brush your teeth? Toothbrush and toothpaste. You used to take a bath. How do you use to take a bath? With what? Soap and water. So write soap and water. You put in your school bag. What do you put in your school bag? You put in your school bag. What things do you put in your school bag? Books and lunch box. So write books and lunch box. So the next one is D. You have for breakfast. What do you have for breakfast? Idli and upma. You have for lunch. What do you have for lunch? Chapati and eggs. You have for dinner. What do you have for dinner? Rice and dal. So do it properly. Activity language development. Read aloud the following words with double O sound, oo sound. Repeat after me. Okay. So first word cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Moon. Root. Room. Hoof. Book. Noon. Suit. Broom. Roof. Look. Soon. Foot. Wood. Cool. took, spoon, boot, good, pool. So all have to read and try to write it. The second language development activity here is add E to the following words. Write new word and now read each word aloud. One example has been done for you. See here, one example is given in the textbook, that is bit, bit, and if we add E here, see here, last letter is E. So if we add E here, means it becomes different word as well as becomes a different meaning. Bit means very little, bite means what? Having 1 spoon of our eat. Bit, bite. Pal, pale. Tam, tame. Kit, kite. Rat, rate. Mal, male. Hop, hope. Man, mane. Tall, tail. Sal, sail. Rope, rope. Fam, fame. So practice these kind of words. Thank you. The next activity is about grammar action words. Identify the following actions. Join the actions with the action words. So here list of pictures are given with the picture showing the action. Means this girl is doing something, this boy is doing some work, and this boy is doing some work. Like this different works they are doing. Here in the second line action words are given regarding this all. They are all jumbled, so we have to match them. What this girl is doing? This girl is dancing. Search where is the word dancing here? Here second word. So match it. Dancing. This boy is sitting. Join this one. Sitting. What this boy is doing? He is copying. So match this. Copying. What this boy is doing? He is catching the ball. See, the word catching is here. So match here. What this girl is doing? She is singing. So here word singing is the action word. So join this one. The next word, the next picture is the girl is shown skipping. Where is the action word skipping here? See here, down. Skipping is here. So join from skipping to this girl. The next one, what this boy is doing? He is just standing on the ground. So where is the word standing? Action word. See here, up. So join this boy. What this girl is doing? She is running. So where is the action word running here? See here, second one. So join this running to this girl. Next, what this girl is doing? She is cooking right now. She is cooking. So where is the word cooking? See here, to the last word. See, cooking is there. So from here you have to join to that cooking girl. The last is what this girl is doing? She is picking. So where is the word action word picking? See here, last second. So join this picking action word to this girl. So here different girl and boys are doing different actions. So these action words are there in this list. So let's learn once again the action words. Dancing, sitting, copying, catching, singing, skipping, standing, running, cooking, and picking. Practice these all action words and use in your daily life. Thank you.